Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to set the edge cutting mode on MOVA 1000. The MOVA 1000 can cut the edges of your lawn, which means it won't really cut the whole lawn, it'll just focus on the edges. And it'll focus more on that so they're more precisely cut. And to do that, you will need to set the edge cutting mode, which means I have all areas set here. And if I click on edge, then only the edges are being selected. Now I can select the zones that I want to do because they need to be selected, the ones that I want to cut the edges on. So I'm clicking on this circle and on this, so both of them will have their edges cut. And then I can click on start in order to begin cutting the edges. And that's it for this video. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.